Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream mix powder. First, let's gather our essential dry ingredients. You will need items like granulated sugar, full-fat milk powder, and a suitable stabilizer. Ensuring all your ingredients are fresh and of high quality is crucial for achieving the best flavor and texture in your homemade ice cream. Precise measurement of each component is key to maintaining consistency and delicious results every single time. Now, let's talk about the specific dry ingredients and their ideal ratios. A good starting point is combining 2 parts granulated sugar with 1 part full-fat milk powder to form your base. For thickening, add a small amount of cornstarch, roughly 1/10 of the sugar's weight. Don't forget a stabilizer, such as guar gum or xanthan gum, typically around 0.5% of your total dry ingredient weight, to prevent ice crystals. Once your base is ready, it's time to add some delicious flavor. You can easily incorporate flavorings like rich cocoa powder or aromatic vanilla bean powder directly into your dry mix. For vibrant fruit flavors, consider using freeze-dried fruit powders, which offer an intense and natural taste. After mixing, store your finished ice cream powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It will remain fresh and ready to use for up to 6 months. Finally, let's prepare your homemade ice cream. To begin, whisk 1 cup of your custom ice cream mix powder with 2 cups of cold milk until the powder is completely dissolved. Next, it's crucial to chill this liquid mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, to ensure optimal churning. Then, simply churn the chilled mixture in your ice cream maker according to its specific instructions, and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.